Hey, welcome back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today I am working with a fun product. These are our sublimation markers. For the first time ever, you can take a normal piece of copy paper, create your own hand-drawn design, and then sublimate. It's really incredible, and everyone here at Conde has been having a great time, and we've gotten some awesome results. I'm gonna tell you how it works. When you're working with sublimation markers, you always want to use regular copy paper because sublimation paper has a coating on it that will clog up the felt tips of your markers and it will ruin them, and you don't want that. Also, keep in mind when you're doodling, like with our other images, the image has to be mirrored because once it's sublimated, it's going to be reversed, so keep that in mind when you're designing. There's always an exception, like with our transparent products, so make sure you visit conde.com to get the exact instructions for your product. Another great feature is when you're working with products that are a little more porous, like our sandstone coaster here, you can draw directly onto it and get the same vibrant colors once you press it. So today, I'm going to be coloring this image, and we're gonna sublimate it onto an aluminum panel here. I brought my markers with me. I've printed off my image with sublimated ink onto a regular piece of copy paper, and I'm gonna prep my substrate with the instructions for this specific product. So the instructions aren't gonna change once I'm coloring. So I'm gonna start coloring, and then we're gonna press the product. So now that I'm finished coloring in my image, I'm gonna align my metal panel and then head to the press. That sound means we're done. Let's take a look at our metal piece of aluminum, our metal panel here, and see how our artwork looks. Whoa, that looks awesome. And I designed that. That's really cool. Speaking of cool, I'm gonna let it cool down and then we'll take a look at it in just a moment. These sublimation markers are remarkable. They really allow you to add that hands-on, personal element to your artwork, and it would be great if you had a festival or a flea market where you could set up your press and then draw out your designs for clients and press it for them right there on the spot. They'd also make a great tool for a paint party where you could have clients design their artwork and then pick the product they want you to sublimate it on. The life of the markers are really long-lasting, so you're sure to get a lot of life out of your set of markers. If you call your Conde account agent today and tell them you saw this video, we'll send you a free sandstone coaster with your first purchase of the sublimation markers. That way you can get started drawing and designing. For more tips, products, and services, visit conde.com, and for more of my videos, watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.